Today we're doing the Caesar burger. I came across a place called Johnnie's Burgers that uses Caesar dressing and lettuce as a topping on the burger. Had to give it a try. All right, we got our shredded lettuce, our Caesar dressing, some pepper, some Parmesan cheese. Let's mix that up. This is gonna be the topping of the burger. We got our 80-20 ground beef. We're gonna smash it on the griddle. Add some burger seasoning, some salt and pepper, give it a nice flip. These buns we got coated with mayo and Parmesan cheese, gonna give it a nice crust. Look at that, it's almost like a crouton. Let's assemble the burger. We got our beef patty, top it off with our Caesar salad. This is a pretty unique burger. The Johnnie's Burger place was in Oklahoma. I came across it on YouTube. It looked delicious. This burger was tasty, juicy, had a nice crunch to it. Definitely gonna add it to the regular rotation of burgers.